CL101, Digital Cabinet Lock. It is ideal for new installations, or a quick retrofit. 3 locking cam positions are available: left, right, and bottom. It only requires 2 screws to be mounted. Friendly for DIY users. Slimline compact design, with elegant minimalist style. Robust housing, made by zinc alloy steel, gives you a premium texture. Use 2 pieces AAA batteries, which can last up to 15,000 operations. Under multiple user mode, each user code can unlock the cabinet lock. Single-use mode is locker mode. The lock is normally unlocked. The user enters a user code which will lock the cabinet lock. Entering the same user code will open the lock, only one-time use, and then be invalid. Code-free mode is hold open mode. The cabinet lock remains constantly unlocked. Our cabinet lock offers you safety, security, and convenience for diverse places. Slimline compact design is fitted to various lockers.